Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Jonathan Coates coming out of Portland, Oregon. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some cool marketing swipe file techniques I got from this really cool website called swipe.co. I come here to check out pretty inspirational different ideas, and the whole concept behind all of this is these are proven principles that have been scientifically shown to work over the past, decades and centuries, really. I mean, when you think about just direct response marketing and scientific advertising as a whole. So I'm going to just start doing a series like this where I'm going to make a video every day, and I'm going to cover the different aspects of what makes, to the best of my ability, and this is also a learning experience for me, but what makes a great mail order type ad, one that converts, So I'm just going to make a series of videos just covering different examples. Now, so for this one, in this case study here, this fellow Addison Wiggins, he actually his first email was sent out from Jim Rickers, right? I want you to take note of that, and it was sent out on March 9th, 2015. He's selling a book now. I'm just gonna cover this top part and then scroll down and walk you guys through it. So this email promotion from Daily Reckoning, a subsidiary multi-million-dollar newsletter publisher, Agora Inc., is marketing a free book using the "What's Your Address" hooks. And it's starting a promotion off by immediately asking for your address is an approach many top marketers use, specifically to convert on free offers for low barrier customer acquisition. For what we've seen, Agora Financial has used this hook for several of their free book promos, and it's it's important to note that whenever you're giving something away for free, the resistance to taking action is lower. Because that resistance is low, prospects are more willing to part with their info. Of course, desire building copy should always follow this hook. It's not meant to act on its own. The customer still has to want what you're selling. However, understand it's not necessary to oversell when it comes to free items, and the "What's Your Address" hook cuts right to the chase. The catch is, once you get to the sales page, you realize the free book deal includes a 30-day trial to a paid newsletter, which, unless you cancel, will renew automatically, and you'll be charged $100 for the year. And that's the catch for the subscriber. So, you get this email, you're on this guy's list, he sends you this email that says, subject line says, "Can you send me your email, your address, please?" And you open it up, it says, "Dear reader, good morning, Jim Rickers here. If you haven't heard, I just released a new book called The Big Drop. It wasn't a book I was intending to write, but it warns of a few critical dangers that every American should begin preparing for right now." Now, we're just going to cover this part right here, and this is why I like this website, because it breaks it down like a surgery. All right, so the whole "I wasn't intending to write this" part, this makes the book's content seem more authentic and relevant. It wasn't planned. It makes it feel like it wasn't planned, And then a part where it says right here, it says critical dangers, is tied to avoiding harm. So it's like it gets the reader to go, man, I want to avoid this whatever danger there is. So let me get this information this guy is telling me about. And the part where he says begin preparing for right now, this encourages urgent action. Okay, so I'm going to hide this, go to the next line. Here's the catch. This book is not available for sale, not anywhere in the world, not online through Amazon, and not at any brick and mortar bookstore. Now, it's important that the reader understands that they can only get the book through this offer. This last thing you want is the prospect to abandon your funnel and go through a third party. Instead of on a nationwide campaign to spread the book far and wide for free. Now I'm finishing off with it sounds awkward, but I'm just finishing off with where I started right here. So I'm going to start from the beginning. Here's the catch. This book is not available for sale, not anywhere in the world, not online through Amazon, and not at any brick and mortar bookstore. Instead, I'm on a nationwide campaign to spread the book far and wide for free. Because every American deserves to know the truth about the imminent dangers facing their wealth. Now, the whole deserves to know the truth part, this gets you thinking, what is the truth? Which arouses your curiosity. And note the mention of dangers again right here, imminent dangers. All right. That's why I've gone ahead and reserved a free copy of my new book in your name. It's on hold waiting for your response. I just need your permission and a valid U.S. postal address to drop it in the mail. Now, this is worded to seem like he personally put a book aside just for you. It's almost like he did you a favor, which works the law of reciprocity. I did this for you, so, do this for me. And then the whole I just need your permission part, it simplifies the action that's required. Like there's minimal effort involved. Okay, I'm going to hide this. And then there's a response device right here. He doesn't mention that. And then in the PS, he says, even if you don't want the book, please, I want you to know that this is hyperlink. Please take a look here and write back to me to let me know why you're denying this free offer. That way, I'll take your copy off hold and send this note to someone else. I want you to take note of the fact he calls this email a note. It feels personal, you know. I'll take your copy off hold and send this note to someone else. But when you see all the bonuses I've included, I know you'll want to claim your package right away. Now here, the part where he says, that way, I'll take your copy. Again, it makes the experience seem more one-to-one and personalized, like he's doing you a favor. Now you're more likely to feel guilty if you don't follow up. The final sentence hinting at bonuses makes for a great finish, and it leaves them wondering what the bonuses are. Now I want you guys, so that's the end of the first email promoting the book, right? I want you guys to check out this follow-up. Now, remember, the first email went out on March 9th. This is two days afterwards, coming from Addison Wiggins. So it's coming from someone, it seems to be from like in the shop, right? Good afternoon. I'm resending Jim's note below. And I want you to notice he says note. I'm resending Jim's note below. And he says the first name too. So it feels personal. We had a tremendous response from other readers, but we haven't heard back from you. Check out his email below and then click here to give us your name and address. Very clear on what to do. This is a great follow-up note, and then, you know, the name, as you can see, Addison. The part where it says tremendous response from others, they're using social proof to get subscribers to reflect on why they didn't take action. The logic is if other subscribers are taking up on the offer, that it must be good, and no one wants to miss out, right? And then obviously there's the email that she's referring to that the person already got. Now I'm just going to go over some key takeaways here and click like, because I love it. When you're selling a book, remember that many people are used to buying on Amazon or other third-party sites. And although third-party sales are still sales, the purpose of people purchasing through you is to have the prospect go through your funnel and potentially bump up their order size via upsells, cross-sells, etc. For this reason, you want to make it clear, like Agora does, that your offer isn't either available on third-party sites like Amazon or is a much better offer than the ones found on third-party sites. Takeaway 2 is a profitable free physical book offer usually uses both of these approaches. The first is marketing the book as free, charging around $5 for shipping and then following with upsells. The idea obviously is not to make money on the book, but help with acquisition costs and then make money on back-end offers that follow the free book sale. Kind of like guys you know, like on one-on-one coaching and stuff like that. The second approach used in the above example is to use a free book as the center of your promotion, include a mandatory trial for a membership or newsletter that's automatically charged to your card if you don't cancel after a certain period of time. Thousands of companies do this. It's very powerful in that you're using the power of free while covertly selling on top of it. And the third takeaway is the quote-unquote what's your address hook can be deceiving to many marketers because it seems too simple and direct to work. What most forget is that selling free stuff is much different than selling paid stuff. Have you ever noticed that when people hear something is free, they're likely to take it even if they don't intend to use it or really want it? Not much convincing is involved. So the whole what's your address hook cuts to the chase and gets them primed to take action immediately. And credit goes to Mike Shower here. I wanted to go through this. I really liked it, and I just wanted to make a video about it. You guys should check out this website. It's called swipe.co. I read it every morning. It's on my traffic cheat sheet. I'll listen to something from my 1K a day library and something from the swipe files. And I normally pick this website because it's just absolutely remarkable. It's inspiration for your marketing mind. And it's just great professional development. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name is Jonathan Coates. And you guys take care.